Hello, I am Professor Dr. Alok Jain. I have worked with leading Indian institutes like IIM Ahmedabad, Narsi Monji, Mumbai, Great Lakes Chennai, Kirloskar Pune, and currently I am advisor to the chairman of Jain Group at Bangalore, handling multiple institutes and universities. So basically a person with a very strong corporate and academic background. When we were kids, it was engineering or medical which was considered to be the most important area of studies. But when my son grew up and he wanted to complete class 12, he decided that he has to take a different line of legal studies, which as such humanities is a trend which is prevailing in the student community. So we did our analysis and we found that it's also a pretty good line to get into. And we did a little Reiki, a little survey, and we found that there are quite a good number of institutes which give preparation for CLAT. We had demo sessions, we attended demo sessions, and finally, after attending e-coaching, Neil felt that this is the ultimate place where he can get all kind of grooming. I was little hesitant because being a faculty, to send the child to a coaching center, I was not very, comfortable. But when I saw the kind of orientation and the kind of skill set which the faculties have, and especially the kind of graphical analysis and technical analysis along with personality enhancement which the faculties do, that really made me feel that my son is in safe hands. And to my surprise, before the commencement of the CLAT 2024, which happened on 3rd or 4th of December, I found that they had taken around 3 dozen mock tests for CLAT. And Neil, my son, I saw that he gradually kept on improving and they worked on the weak areas. So the faculties, they did an exceptional work. They are very committed and you can call them at any point of time. And the kind of vibration and enthusiasm that you see at the coaching center is exemplary. So I will strongly recommend that if you want your son to go for professional coaching, especially pertaining to CLAT, then e-coaching is the right place. Thank you very much. All the best kids, all the best parents.